All right, getting in breaking inputs coming in from Mumbai. This as Ritu Tavde is going to be BJP's mayoral candidate for Mumbai. She has filed her nomination for the post. Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena will file its nomination of Sanjay Ghadi for the post of deputy mayor. Why is this significant? We will tell you in just a bit. In fact, Ananya Gupta joins me on the broadcast. Ananya, this is after 25 years that a mayor in Mumbai will be non-Shiv Sainik.
Absolutely. So, 25 years later, after a very long gap, elections were held. And, on the 16th of January, the results came out. BMC emerged as the single largest party. Now, today, the announcement of mayoral candidate from the Mahayuti, Ritu Tavde, has been announced as the mayoral candidate. A long wait, very important. Asia's largest civic body's mayor candidate announcement being very important. So Ritu Tavde from the Mahayuti was announced as the mayoral candidate, while the deputy mayor post was announced by Shiv Sena, being Sanjay Ghadi. Back to you.
All right, on that note, could you also tell us by when can we expect Shiv Sena to be filing its nomination for the deputy mayoral position?
Right. So both of them, Ritu Tavde and Sanjay Ghadi, have filed their nominations. In fact, a little while ago, the elections for the mayor will be held on the 11th of February. They have filed their nominations. A press conference was held. Mumbai BJP chief Amit Satam announced Ritu Tavde's name as the Mahayuti's mayoral candidate, while Shiv Sena's MP Rahul Shivale announced Sanjay Ghadi's candidature for deputy CM. One thing to be noted is that the deputy CM post has been, the deputy mayor post has been announced for 1.25 years is something to be noted. The reason for which the party has been stating is more party workers and, more leaders from the party to be given opportunity for civic administration. While on the Mahayuti's side, no tenure announcement has been made as to for how many years Ritu Tavde will be the mayor.
All right, many thanks to you, Ananya, for bringing us all of those latest details. With that, shifting